Good morning, students. As you know, we have already completed half of the chapter 3 Ranga's marriage, and now I'm going to continue this chapter in this video. And in my last video, I told you that Ranga came to narrator's house. That time Ratna was singing song. He loved that song, but as Ratna saw him, she stopped. He comes in and asks the narrator that I came, that's why this singing is stopped, let me go. He said only, but he did not move, and the narrator told this that it is time of Kali Yuga, so how can one expect words to match actions in these days? After that, Ratna goes inside. Okay, she ran inside because she was feeling shy. And after some time, Ranga asked to the narrator, "Who is that girl?" Okay, he wanted to know about that girl. And Swami, he is called to the narrator. Now, again, the narrator is telling us a story. And the story is about a lion and a he goat. The lion wanted to eat that he goat, but he took shelter in a temple. But the lion didn't know that who is inside, and that's why he asked, "Who is that inside?" But the lion answered, "What does it matter who I am? I am a poor animal who had already eaten 9 lions and I have bought to eat one more." Okay, he had already eaten 9 lions and he wanted to eat one more, and he asked, "Tell me whether you are a male or a female." And the lion, when he heard that he wanted to eat one more lion, he had gone from there. He fled from there. Same was the condition of that time. Okay, means Ranga was asking about the girl, but the girl has taken shelter in his house. So, just like that, he goat, okay, who answered from the temple, the narrator said, "What does it matter to either of us who she is? I am already married and you are not the marrying kind." Okay, the narrator said, "What is the matter? That who is that girl? कोई भी हो, I am already married and you are not marrying kind, means you are not interested in marriage." Very hopefully he asked, "She is not married then?" Okay, when the narrator said, "You don't want to get married," then Ranga said, "What do you mean? Is she not married? Because I have already told you in those days marriages were held in very early time. Okay, in very early age." So the narrator said that, okay, but when he asked the narrator that is she not married, his voice did not betray his excitement. Although he was excited, but he has concealed his excitement. But the narrator had understood that he is excited. And then the narrator lied. Okay, झूठ बोला उसको that she was married a year ago. Okay, the narrator lied that she was married a year ago, and his face was just like a roasted brinjal. Okay, it was shriveled, एकदम सिकुड़ गया, shrink हो गया like a roasted brinjal. And after a while, Ranga said, "I have work at home, I must go," and he had left. Then As you know, the narrator was planning for Ranga's marriage. He has started his work. Okay, he knew that now Ranga was interested in Ratna, so he continued his plan. The narrator continued his plan, and next morning he went to Shastri's house. Shastri, जो बेटे पंडित वगैरह होते हैं, and he tuitioned him. Tuitioned him means he said, "Keep everything ready to read the stars, I'll come later." And he told him what he had to say. Okay, he told that I'll come after some time, and he told that you will have to say this and that. Understand? And I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. In the afternoon, the narrator went to Ranga's house, but he was just sad, he was just disappointed like the last day. The narrator asked him, "What is the matter? You seem to be lost in thoughts." Okay, the narrator asked him, "What happened to you? You are looking very sad. You are looking like lost in thoughts." And Ranga answered, "No, nothing. Nothing is wrong, believe me. Headache? Come, let's go to the doctor." The narrator said, "Are you having headache? Come, let's go to see the doctor." But Ranga answered that he is not having headache, and he said he is normal, he is as usual. Then the narrator said, "I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on, but I don't think that could be reason for your present condition." The narrator told him that when a girl was being searched for his marriage, he was having this type of condition that time. Okay, he was sad, listless, down. And so, to excite Ranga, to encourage Ranga, to know the condition of Ranga's heart, narrator said that I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. And but he added, "But I don't think that could be the reason for your present condition," because he wanted to say that he was not interested in marriage. Ranga stared at the narrator. And then the narrator said, "Come, let's go to see Shastri. We will find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not." Okay, he wanted to take him, Ranga, to Shastri's house so that Shastri could tell him whatever the narrator had told him to say. Now, but he pretended that let's go to Shastri's house and I would know whether Guru and Shani in your Kundali. Okay, these are the graha in our Kundali. So he said, "Let's see whether the Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not." Ranga accompanied. Okay, without any protest, without any argument or pretend, Ranga was going with him. As soon as Shastri saw me, he exclaimed, "What a surprise, Shama! Haven't seen you for a long time." Okay, when he went there, Shastri's house, Shastri shouted loudly, "What a surprise, Shama! I have not seen you for a long time." And Shama, is none other than but the narrator himself. I got angry and shouted. Okay, the narrator pretended to be angry and shouted, "What? Only this morning?" Okay, he said, "क्या कह रहे हो? आज सुबह ही तो आया था." Shastri completed my sentence. You finished all your work and are now free to visit me. उसने कहा now you have completed your work and now you are free to visit me. Had he not done so, I would have ruined our plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. Okay, यदि नरेटर ये नहीं कहते कि सुबह ही तो मिला था और उसका आंसर शास्त्री ये नहीं देते कि हाँ अब तुमने अपना काम कर लिया है, अब फ्री होकर यहाँ मुझसे मिलने आए हो, तो सब कुछ गलत हो जाता। ओके, उनका जो प्लान था ऐसे ख़राब हो जाता जैसे किसी ग्रेन को धूप में सुखाने से वो ख़राब हो जाता है। एंड द नरेटर वॉज एक्सट्रीमली केयरफुल अबाउट वॉट ही हैड टू से। ओके, देन Shastri turned to Ranga. What did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? Okay, he asked when this son of accountant came home. And what can I do for him? It is rarely that he visits us. And he said that it is very rare when he comes to visit me.